Have you ever seen a deal so good you almost felt guilty clicking on it? A brand new gaming laptop for the price of a dinner. A sealed MacBook Pro for under $200. These offers feel like winning the lottery. But they exist for one reason. Someone wants to trick your brain long enough to take your money. Because the moment you start shopping for a computer, you become a target. Scammers know buyers are overwhelmed, and they weaponize that confusion. Today, I'll show you the major red flags every buyer needs to spot instantly, so you don't fall for the traps hiding behind shiny prices. Let's break down the biggest red flags in the tech marketplace, and how to protect yourself from getting burned. The first red flag is what I call the adjective trap. Legitimate sellers sell you nouns and numbers. They tell you the model number, the generation, the RAM speed. Scammers? They sell you adjectives. They use words like super fast, huge memory, or gaming ready. These words mean absolutely nothing. They are filler designed to hide the fact that the computer is obsolete. Red flag number 2 is the uncanny valley of photography. If you are looking at a used laptop listing on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and the photos look like polished Apple advertisements, pure white backgrounds, perfect lighting, no dust, something is wrong. Real sellers have messy desks. They have bad lighting. They show the fingerprints on the screen and the dust in the keyboard. Scammers use stock images because the real laptop usually doesn't exist. Or if it does, it's in terrible condition. Finally, the most dangerous flag of all, the venue change. Marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or even PayPal goods and services offer buyer protection. They hold the money in escrow to ensure you actually get what you paid for. Scammers know this. Their entire goal is to get you to take the conversation and the money off the platform. The moment a seller asks you to leave the safety of the platform's checkout system, the deal is dead. There is no legitimate reason to bypass buyer protection, ever. If they pressure you to pay via an unprotected app, they aren't selling a computer. They are stealing your wallet. Avoiding these scams is just defense, but you don't want to just survive the purchase. You want to win it. A seller might be legitimate. They might be a nice person with real photos and safe payment methods, but they could still be selling you a terrible machine at a terrible price because they don't understand the specs either. So, how do you tell the difference between a safe scam and a great deal? You have to understand the brain of the computer. 7 more advanced red flags, specifically regarding refurbished tech and third-party sellers, are covered in the book, Buy the Brain, Not the Brand. Stop letting marketing departments and shady sellers dictate the value of your tech. Buy the book now. Link in the description. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.